Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Live Love Lavender YouTube page. My name is Colleen. If you haven't met me and I haven't introduced myself, I have been oily since 2009 when I went looking for better alternatives to help my daughter with her asthma. So we went into a more natural, more holistic, more crunchy kind of lifestyle, and with great results. So my daughter has been inhaler free, breathing treatment free for years. In fact, neither one of my kids have had a well visit since 2015. So we've been very successful in this lifestyle. We found Young Living essential oils in 2015, and I have not looked back. I love what this company stands for. I've been to their farms twice. I use almost all of their products, and we just think it's a great fit for this lifestyle that we're living and for the care that I want to provide for my family. So for those of you who are on my team and have met me, welcome back. This is a little tutorial about our foaming hand soap. So this is one of the easiest things you can do. It's one of the first things I recommend to people because it's so simple to do. It's cost effective. It's great. I will tell you that today for the video, I'm doing this, but most times my 11-year-old daughter will just refill the bottles on her own. That's how easy it is. So what I have are these foaming hand soap bottles. Now these are just plastic, not fancy. You can get fancy ones. These can be bought off of Amazon for a couple bucks. If you are on my team, if you've chosen to use Young Living essential oils through the Live Love Lavender team and you've bought through me, I pass on my discount. These are about $1 a piece. So just let me know if you need some. I will make sure you get some. That's one of the benefits of being signed up through me and on this journey and getting educated by me, as I not only help you with the education, but I pass on the discounts too. So this is our foaming hand soap. If you've never used one of these bottles, it has this extra little compartment here where it kind of mixes the water that's in the bottle and a little bit of air, and it comes out the top as a foaming hand soap. I'm sure you've all used these around, so we'll show you how to go ahead and make one on your own. This is so easy. You guys are going to love this. It can be done in about 30 seconds. So the other thing you need is Dr. Bonner's Castile soap. I'm so sorry. Dr. Bonner's Castile soap. It's a liquid soap. I prefer that brand because they watch their ingredients just like Young Living does. I buy it by the big gallon, so you'll see this is just a repurposed bottle. But you can get it at health food stores. I have seen it at Rite Aid, at CVS, at, let's see, I've seen it at Target. You know, it's all over the place. It's becoming more popular. So when you look for Dr. Bonner's Castile soap, you can get the unscented kind, which is what I usually do because I like to add my own scents. Or they have like lavender mint stuff that's already mixed up. But I go for the unscented kind so we can choose our own. And then you're going to need your essential oils. So this time of year, because it's fall, I put thieves in my hand soap. This is one of the tools that we use. Remember I said we hadn't had a sick visit since 2015? This is one of the tools that I use to keep us healthy, to support our immune system. So this goes in my hand soap every fall, and then throughout that sniffly season, whatever my kids are bringing home from school, home from the grocery store, gets washed away, and this supports our immune system. During the summertime, I am a fan of lavender. I've also used several citrus oils. Geranium is a good one if you like that flowery smell in your home. You really can just do whatever you want, and you're only going to need 10 drops. So this is a great recipe, and just a little bit goes a long way. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your bottle, put in 3 tablespoons of the Castile soap. I'm not measuring today because I know how many squirts I need. So it's just 3 tablespoons of the Castile soap. Okay? And then you're going to add 10 drops of whatever essential oil you would like. Don't be afraid to mix and match these. I like the thieves in the fall because it's great for immune support, but it also has the cinnamon and clove in it that's really popular in the fall. So I like that smell. Sometimes I will add a little lemon or orange to it. Lemon is a good degreaser. All of our citrus oils are great for uplifting our spirits. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. So for those of you who aren't familiar with our bottle, I'll give you a little sneak peek here. See that big hole in the middle? That's an air hole. And then in the trough around it, there's a tiny little pinprick hole, and that's where our oil actually comes out. So if you turn the bottle all the way upside down and you block that air hole, you're not going to get out as much oil as you would if you just turn it on its side gently like I did. And then if it's not coming out, just kind of roll the bottle a little bit until the oil hits that little pinprick hole, and you'll see it start to come out. And then when I go to stop, I just twist and up, and you're good to go. All right, so that's it, folks. The only other thing I'm going to do, and I can't do it here because I don't have the sink right here, but I'm going to fill the water up to about here. So that's really all the ingredients. Dr. Bonner's Castile soap is super concentrated, so we're going to put water in here up to about there. The only thing that I always warn people is make sure you leave enough room in your bottle for this foaming area here, this little container, to set down in, because if you accidentally overflow it, all your good oils are going to come out the top first because they're on top of the water. So that's about it. Then you just label it, and you've made hand soap. That easy, that quick, that cost effective. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be making more things in the days to come. Happy oiling!